Do you want to know how you can sign up to Voice AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Voice AI. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Voice AI Sign Up. Click on the first link which says Sign Up, and it is the Voice AI. Go ahead and click on Sign Up over here. Now you can see some of the options with which you can sign up. The first option is Discord, the second one is Twitch, the third one is Google, and the fourth one is your classic email address and password option. If you want to have a lengthy process, you can write down your email address, your password, your confirmed password, and click sign up with email, or else you can choose these. You must have a Discord, Twitch, or Google account. First of all, if you want to sign in with these individuals, let me give you an example by clicking sign up with Google. Make sure you already have a Google account. Click on your selected Google account and click continue to sign into voice.ai. In a while, you can notice that you have signed up for voice.ai, and this is fully applicable now. And you can also see your account settings. After you click on account settings, you can change your avatar and you can see the voice universe over here. You can see some of the impressions over here. So this is how you sign up for Voice AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.